For those who are tired of chasing love, apologizing for their needs, replaying the same emotional dynamic with different people, or feeling like love while finding sacrifice. Meditation flow. Summary. 1. Arrival plus auditory bilateral stimulation, alternating left-right sound or tap cueing. 2. Narrative scene recall, identify core memory linked to love pain pattern. 3. Narrative rewriting, metaphoric disruption, retell scene with new outcome. 4. Relational embodiment, visualize secure connection with a healing other. 5. Bilateral tapping, scripted round, while repeating new beliefs aloud. 6. Integrative affirmations, plus nervous system softening. 7. Closing with emotional safety visualization. Close your eyes, let your body begin to settle, and just listen to the rhythm. Left, right, left, right. Let it rock you, like waves returning you to shore. This isn't just a meditation. This is a moment to change the way your body remembers love. You're here because something in you knows. This isn't love, but I don't know how to stop craving it. Why do I always feel like I'm too much or not enough? Why do I lose myself every time I fall for someone? You are not broken. You're repeating a story that was never finished, a story your body still tries to solve through love. Today, we begin rewriting it, not in your head, but in your nervous system, your memory, your core belief. Let's go there, gently, together. As the sound alternates, left, right, bring up the image of a moment when you felt like you had to beg to be chosen. Let your eyes move slowly left to right, behind closed lids. Now say out loud or inwardly, I needed too much. Tap left hand, I shouldn't have asked. Tap right hand. And now say, I was worthy of love the whole time. Tap left, I don't have to be small to be safe. Tap right, let the rhythm help your body catch up to the truth. Visualize yourself in the scene where love became tied to sacrifice. Now see an older, wiser version of you step in. She interrupts the story. She kneels beside the younger you and says, You don't have to earn love with suffering. They were not capable of giving love, but that's not your fault. Watch as the room changes. Let your body feel what it's like for someone to stay, without needing to fix you first.